Relief for taxpayers in the upcoming budget. NDTV Profit learns from sources that the government is examining the possibility of reducing tax rates for income up to 10 lakh rupees. Shrimi is joining us with more. Shrimi, what are you picking up from your sources?
From the policy makers at North Block that they are looking at tinkering the personal income tax regime, which is the new tax regime in the upcoming budget. What we are also getting sense that lot of deliberation happening to sort of come up with a fiscal measures to boost demand. Of course, one of the concern of the government, and also as you can see, the advance estimates are clearly showing slower pace in the overall GDP growth. So fiscal measure, as a part of fiscal measure, there are a lot of consideration happening, especially the tax cut. And what we are also getting sense that they are looking at how to make this new tax regime more attractive, more incentivize, give more benefit to the especially the salaried class and the middle class. And we could see some sort of tinkering in the lower slabs, especially those having income over 10 lakh rupees could see lower rate from the current existing rate. Remember, the new tax regime, which is now a default set option, is about 72% of taxpayers has already moved to this tax regime. So government is of course of a view that how to make it more lucrative. Also remember that July budget has already made changes in the tax slab and rates, and in fact in the standard deduction of new tax regime. And now they're also looking to further modify this new tax regime. However, the consideration and the possibility is still under examination mode. Nothing has been finalized yet, but so far the focus is to how to increase spending here, and also to have more disposable income in hand of taxpayers. So definitely there are a lot of fiscal measures is under deliberation, and this is one among them, is what we are getting sense from the top sources.
Right, Shrimi, thanks for bringing us those exclusive details. Now